What's the meaning of Andrew Jackson? Andrew Jackson. Andrew Jackson. Andrew Jackson. Andrew Jackson. Andrew Jackson.
Andrew Jackson was the 7th President of the United States. He was a controversial figure known for his tough stance on Native American removal and his expansion of executive power. He also championed the common man and supported states' rights. His legacy has been both celebrated and criticized, with some viewing him as a hero and others as a villain. Overall, Andrew Jackson was a significant figure in American history who left a lasting impact on the country and its political landscape.